revision of chapter number 1, poem 1, chapter number 2 and chapter number 1 from your supplementary book. Okay, all together. Okay, so first we will start with meanings of all the, we can say, chapters. Okay, and after that fill in the blanks. Okay, now you have to compulsory write this in your notebook. Don't forget to write this in your notebook along with date. Okay, so let's start with the meaning of all the chapters. Okay, now first one, ignoramus. Ignoramus means a person who feels like someone is ignoring them, right? For example, Patrick was always feeling like a ignoramus person. Why? Because he was not doing his homework, so teachers used to and friends used to ignore him. So what we can write? An ignorant person. An ignorant person. Now surprise. Surprise means what? You don't know the fact, right? If you're surprised means you don't know the fact. So unexpected fact is what? A surprise, right? Unexpected fact. Now next is yell. Yell means to shout. To shout. Okay, so that is what? Yell. Now next is hamper. Hamper is a kind of small basket. What? It is a basket. Now grimaced. Now grimaced means what? If someone is angry, means that person is what? Grimaced. Turned into anger. Okay, that is what? Grimaced. So that is anger. Okay, now cursed. Cursed means what? You know, we say na that badua dena, right? Hum badua, matlab we should not give, but some people used to curse, right? So that is what? Badua dena, right? Curse means used to express annoyance. Used to express annoyance. Now next is shriek. Now here shriek means what? To give a cry. Okay, that means what? Shriek. It means cry. Now nag. Nag means to continuously irritate someone. Now I told you na, Elf was continuously nagging Patrick. So nag means what? To one who troubles. Troubles someone. Now next is sleely. Now sleely means what? You know, secretively. What? Secretively. Now eaves. Now eaves we have already learned in the poem, that is a house and a home. Eaves means a roof that meets the walls. Okay, roof that meets the walls. Okay, now chimneys. Chimneys means a hollow structure that allows the smoke to escape outside. Okay, घर में होता है ना, बट बाहर ऐसे चिमनी जैसे लगाया होता है जहाँ से स्मोक बाहर निकलता है, राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाट? अ hollow structure from that allows the smoke to go outside or to escape outside. Escape the smoke outside. Now next is to cope. fine plaster used to construct the house. So what it is? It is a plaster. Cement plaster that we use, right? Now next, roof. Roof means what? Roof means a structure forms on the upper covering of the building. Upper covering, right? So that is what? A structure for upper covering. Now unselfish. Unselfish means a person who is not selfish. Now selfish means a person who thinks about him or herself only, right? That is selfish. But unselfish means a person who is not selfish. A person who is not selfish. Okay, now wandering. Wandering means what? Traveling from one place to another. Okay. Place to place. Now, ill-pleased. Now, ill-pleased means what? Ill-pleased means not happy. If you are not happy with something, you will be ill-pleased. Okay, so that is what? Ill-pleased. Now next is servant. Servant is a helper that help us, right? So servant means what? Helper. Now hastily. Now hastily means in a excessive speed, fast. Okay, what? Excessive speed. Now terrible. Terrible means extremely bad condition. Okay, extremely bad. Now next is darted. Darted means all of sudden, that is suddenly. That is suddenly. Now sniffed. Sniffed means to smell. Like this. Okay, that is what? To smell. Now next, offend. Offend means to annoy. Annoy means to irritate someone. Okay. Now struck. Struck means hit. To hit someone. Now glitch. Glitch means informal words. What kind of words? Informal. Now robbers. Robbers means who do the act of robbery. Okay, who used to steal the things, right? A person who commits robbery. A person who commits robbery. Okay, now fortunately. Fortunately means luckily. What? Fortunately means luckily. Okay, now comfortable means ease. If you're comfortable means it is ease. You're feeling ease, right? So that is what? Physical ease. Now faint noise. Faint noise means a very low voice. What we can say? A very slow or noise. Okay. So these are the meanings from all the chapters.